All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome back. We are out here with the big cheese and the guy. I was wearing that shirt yesterday. And the guy, we're out here at Jake's shop with the old grader. And we got a brand spanking new. Oh, man, that looks good.
Y'all can guess what size. Y'all can guess what size we're rocking with.
Yeah.
I'll just tell you, it ain't no 62.
Yeah. So we're going from a 62 to a 7.3 Power Stroke. She is freaking nice. As well as that, we also got he got the super anti-money shifter since the regular one didn't work. Wow. Bull boost performance. Dude. We really got the bull boost shifter in her?
Brother.
That's so
Let me
clean.
get a 1-2 in this.
Oh, show me. Show me the 1-2, brother.
Move this unit forward. All right, we're in first. Ready for second?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, third. Oh, fourth. We better not.
Not safe to be going 180 out here.
We jailed.
Oh man, this thing's ready. So anyways, yeah, we got the new turbo. That's really the only thing we're testing today. Everything else has been tested before. Obviously, we got the mechanical pump on here.
Brother, we got a new motor.
Well,
this
thing's got the
oh yeah.
apart. The oil pan was filled with oil pump.
I don't know how that happens.
I don't
I
know.
don't know.
They don't like that.
Apparently, we're gonna have to set the chip at 13 instead of 14 this time. So anyways, yeah, we're probably gonna give it a chip check and then we're gonna box it up. Oh, fresh shaft feature.
We got a fresh Alumaduty shaft for the Subaru.
Yep, this is for the Subaru. Whoa,
Shaft swinging on
that's
it.
big shaft, brother. New shaft goof.
What is this?
This guy's all yiked up. We're gonna hit the dynamometer, and then next time around, this joint, as long as it survives the dyno, we're going to the racetrack this weekend. We are getting all forms of yiked up here, gentlemen. Have a little bit of lag.
Yeah. Got it on 0 or what?
It's about to be.
Good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. You want to just hit me if I need to stop?
Yeah. I mean, you're not going to need to stop on gate, but yeah. 100. How you feeling? How you feeling, brother? Is that some power or what? It was super rich. Yeah, 17 pounds. Rich. Yeah. Yeah. It needs more boost to clear up. All right, so we just pulled some fuel out. Probably just gonna give it a little more boost.
Another one?
Well, I'll probably give it some duty cycle. Yeah. All right, guys. I just pulled some fuel out of it. Added a little bit of duty cycle. We're gonna see if we can get it to actually make a little more boost, and then hopefully it'll clear up, not be so rich. Well, we just tried 30% duty cycle and got no more boost. We're gonna try 40, and if not, then something's weird. But she's not making the steam, and we need the steam ASAP.
I know. Yeah, I don't know. Loosely tested it. It's fine.
Give it a shot. See what some duty cycle does. Alright, we finally got some extra boost, so we just gave it another 10%. This should be
steam.
This should be steam.
Now that we found it and those 4 ports are touchy,
yeah,
this should be some horsepower.
Yep. Alright.
If it stands up too hard, I might let out.
Alright. Let's give it out.
30?
Just for now.
40?
Fuck 'em. 40.
Okay.
Let's fire it up. Well, we're gonna spray the tire. We just made 45 pounds and only picked up a little bit of horsepower. We're blowing the tire right off this thing, so.
Dude, it stood up harder than ever has.
I guarantee it's been spinning. I bet if it actually hooks.
It started spinning at like 7,000 RPM.
Look at the graph. You think that's good for that much power?
Oh yeah, dude, look at the graph. It's going up. And
I guarantee. I bet if it hooks up, we're at 1,000 horsepower right now.
I mean, we should be able to make at least 1,000.
We should be at 1,000 horsepower right
We're
now.
at 1,000 right now. I think.
Yeah, but let's get it to like use it.
Did you change anything?
No, we're gonna run it the same way until it hooks. Alright guys, we have been fighting some tire slip, so we're going for 4th gear. Welcome. 50 pounds of boost, 160 plus on the mile an hour, I'm sure. Just from putting glue on the tires, we picked up 110 horsepower. It's now at 953. Just goes to show how shot these tires are. You know, these things are just screwed. All right, guys, so we're gonna turn it up 50 pounds and 4th gear, so a lot of load. We're gonna try to make some power, big power up in here. We'll see how she does. So we blew the boost pipe off, but yeah, just gonna go for a ride. Getting it all turned around.
I get a couple
All right, guys, so we're gonna call it there. For now, we're not trying to beat this thing up on the dyno. This was kind of just to make sure everything is working. So our final number comes out to 1,080 at 8,400 RPM. That was about 51-ish pounds of boost there. 50, 51, somewhere in that ballpark. It kind of was creeping down as the RPMs went up. We think there's probably still a little bit of timing left in it. If we need to find it at the track, then we will find it at the track.